whereas the City of Stuart recognizes the mission of junior achievement of the Palm Beaches and Treasure Coast to inspire and prepare young people for success through transformative programs that promote financial literacy, work and career readiness, and entrepreneurship, and whereas through hands-on, volunteer-led, immersive experiences like JA Career Exploration Fairs, junior achievement in participating schools such as Felix A. Williams and Stuart Middle School connects students with local business owners and career professionals to bring career possibilities to life and build real-world confidence. And whereas this observance highlights an exciting collaboration between Junior Achievement and Martin County School District to prepare students for future opportunities by offering comprehensive financial literacy and delivering career readiness programs to every elementary and middle school during the 2025-2026 school year. And whereas the City of Stuart Commissioners affirm their commitment to youth education and workforce development and recognize the vital role that early financial literacy and real-world skill building play in preparing students for lifelong success. Now, therefore, I, Campbell Rich, Mayor of the City of Stuart, Florida, do hereby proclaim August 14th, 2025 as National Financial Awareness Day.
And accepting this proclamation in recognition of National Financial Awareness Day is Katie Thompson, the president, I assume, of the Junior Achievement of the Palm Beaches and Treasure Coast. Is that correct? Correct. Ms. Thompson, would you like to come forward and make a few remarks?
Thank you so much for having me. I'm Katie Thompson, the very proud president of Junior Achievement of the Palm Beaches and Treasure Coast. We are so proud to partner with Stuart and the students in Stuart to hopefully give students the skills that they need to understand all career possibilities and hopefully come right back here to the Treasure Coast after they go to college or a trade school and come back and be great citizens in this community. We're grateful for your recognition today and very happy to be here. Thank you.
Thank you.
Best of the best. Thank you.
Thank you.